Hello, this is Tom from 20th Century Rescue. I'm disassembling this for packaging. As you can tell, this swivels because it needs to be tightened, but I am gonna take these pieces off. So there should be, well, 1, 2, 3, perhaps 4. This and this, 5 and 6, perhaps 7. So this goes goes in order of the bowl. This whatever you want to call it, the ball foot or support, the floret, the marble, and the base. So I'm going to take these apart, and you should be able to put it back together again rather quickly. So we've got the nut and the washer, and then we've got the stand. We have the marble, the floret, the ball support, ball support and cap. So the cap it's a little rusty. You don't see this stuff until you take it apart, and it goes inside like that. On top of that, ball, and as I suspected, you take the full central support, untwist it, and it will leave this intact. So this is how it will be packed, along with the candle holders. I do not have enough crystals. I mentioned in the ad I might have crystals, and I do not have nearly enough crystals to hang on this. And I see right now under here, I don't know if it's in the description or not, but there's a tiny microchip there, probably from having been against this. And there are, I believe, 2 candle inserts that obviously come out. They go back in here. These will be packaged. I don't think I need to put these, to take these apart, but if I do, I will, just so that the packaging is more secure and centralized and cheaper that way. So if you have any questions, please feel free to give me a ring or contact me about this. And I hope you enjoy this beautiful piece, this beautiful console bowl or compote. It's a console bowl and 2 candle holders. Enjoy. Have a great, happy, what's the word? Happy holidays. Have a good one. Bye-bye.